Okay, here's a pickle. Help me get out of this one. My daughter managed to tangle up the seatbelt around the middle console, and it is now completely locked. I can't, it won't budge. She had to worm her way out of the car, and now what do I do? I'm gonna figure this out. I'm going to figure this out without cutting the seatbelt. I'm determined to figure this one out. Stay tuned. Don't ask how she did this. Trying to buckle herself in, and it got tangled around that, and it locked up. Not even locked. And now it's This is quite a puzzle. Success. Now, how did I do it? By taking the seat apart. Now to put it back together. All right, I used a screwdriver. I used socket wrench to take this section off, because I tried at first with that, figuring I could slip it out, but that didn't work. But that worked. Now, ta-da! I should have been an engineer or a car mechanic or something. All right, to put it back together now. Oh yeah, and if someone notices that this must be on a different day because I'm wearing different clothes, nope, it's still the same day, but it's 95 degrees outside and my garage is not air conditioning and I'm sweating my ass off. So I had to change. And everything is in proper working order. Yay. All done. And no more stuck. Hooray! See you next time.